Hi friend, if you are from village background or if you are from that background there until now you didn't speak English and now you want to speak English, you want to improve your speaking skill because all your classmates, all your neighbors are speaking English now because now you are studying in a big city. So same problem happened with me. Until now, I was studying in my district. There was not English. No one was not serious about English. No one was not speaking English. But now, when I came in Pune, in big city, now everyone telling me English. Everyone telling me start to speak English. It's the most important for your interview and for your future. Now I face a lot of problem. My some friends are speaking English with confidently, but I didn't start to speak. This problem happened with everyone. Those students came from non-speaking English background. In today's video, I want to tell you, I want to suggest some tips. Maybe you can start your speaking English confidently. What happened, friend? Why we can't speak in English? Everything about English is in our mind, but we don't have confidence to speak, and for that purpose we have to practice to speak, but we don't have any friend with whom we can speak English. But friend, today there are number of sources because you have a smartphone, or there is number of apps is available. There are most of people want to speak English. They are available there and you can join them and you can start to speak English with them. Even also for this you can search on Play Store English speaking apps. You will get lot of. Neither you can practice with yourself. You can record your video and listen it again. You can record your voice, listen it again, and where you are making mistake, correct it next time. 100% your confidence will be improved. You don't need to join any coaching classes. Don't think to join any coaching classes. It's only basis of your practice. Once you start, 100% you will speak English. Because what happened, friend? Those people are living from big cities. Their parents are well educated. They make an environment for them to speak English everyday basis. That's why they have confidence, neither nothing. Don't think any critical. If you are facing hesitation to speak English, it's not too much hard. If you have patience, if you have continuity to speak every day, 100% your confidence will be improved and you will start to speak confidently. And friend, if you like this video and if you have any doubt, you can comment me. 100% I will reach up to you. And friend, if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friend. And friend, see you next video. And again I want to tell you, subscribe. Bye bye, see you.